Hey guys, so I just found a cat and I just thought if you guys think it's cute and if you do, comment down below. Kitty! Kitty!
Oh, come back! I'm touching it. This thing.
You're such a weirdo.
Here, can I play with that? I've got a better ding.
Okay, I really want to figure out. Ah, go, come on.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come back! That's my friend's house. Please don't jump there.
Subscribe if you have fat friends. Subscribe if you have
11. Subscribe if you like cats and dogs.
all your
Either way, subscribe.
Subscribe if you have fat friends.
No, don't. Subscribe if you like cats or dogs and dogs. And leave a comment down below if you like cats or dogs or both.
You have fat friends though, seriously.
Don't listen to him.
Garrett, you should subscribe. Wait, are you your own friend? No. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's so cute. Its
I
name.
don't know if it likes me.
Oh, wait, I probably shouldn't do that because its number's on there. Never mind.
Its address, I think. Guys, we should probably take it back.
No, they said it just likes to roam around.
Camera on me real quick.
It's zoomed
Good morning,
in.
laddies.
It's zoomed.
Welcome to Happy Wheels. Okay, Jacksepticeye intro, you know. Good morning to you, laddies.
Raise your hand, guys. It's just a fun thing I wanted to vlog because I am really bored right now. Why won't that dog be?
Hold the cat.
What if it bites you?
So funny. Its paws are so soft. You got the softest of paws.
It does.
Oh!
Oh!
Her belly is.
Okay, guys, we should just come on, cat. Bring it down here, Abby.
Okay. Come on!
Don't do that.
No, Mr. Cat, don't do it. Don't jump.
You'll die. Trust me.
Suicide.
Can you see that dog? Can you see him? Can you see him? Can't see him, but the cat's better. Because it's a more action movie. Bum ba da bum ba. Ah! Don't whip me, Garrett. Now you only can see a cat. Garrett! I need to get a full-on movie about this.
Don't. That's animal abuse. He wants it so bad.
He wants it so bad.
You want it so bad.
Where'd the cat go?
Come back. Come back. Ew, there's a song. Are we just harassing a kitty? Ew, there's a song. Are we
Free
harassing
song.
a cat?
Well, I think the dogs are.
Cat
Should we leave?
Should we call the cops for harassing?
Well, okay, guys, so that was the end of the video. Hope you like it for a 3-minute video about a tour of a cat. See you guys later. Peace.